Assalamualaikum and good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be fine and enjoying the weather of today. Yes, today is also a rainy weather. This is your reading time period and the date is 7th August 2020. The day is Friday. Yes, that today is Friday and every Friday you are having the English reading period and also the Urdu reading period. But today is the day of English reading period. This is your reader book. Everybody take out your reader book. Good. But first of all, let me tell you the one very important thing that if you are attending the online classes on regular basis and on time, so you will get 50 bonus marks. Okay. So, as I told you before that this is the title page of your book and this is the back cover of your book. Okay. First of all, we will reinforce the name of this reader. Yes, as I told you, what is the name of your reader? The name of your reader is Look at This. What is the name of your reader? Look at This. Now, let me tell you the characters of this reader. Yes, as I told you before that who is she? She is mom. Who is she? She is mom. Good. Yes, very nice. You know him. Yes, he is dad. Who is he? He is dad. And who is he? Ali. Who is he? Ali. Who is she? Ria. Wow, Ria is looking very happy. And who is this? Spot. Who is this? Spot. Okay. As I told you that on first page we read when Ali and Ria were sleeping, mom came in their room and she told them that please get up. Okay, then what happened on the next page? Everybody open page number 2 of your reader book and tell me what mom is saying to Ali and Ria. And look at the Spot. He is looking them very carefully. And yes, mom is saying something to Ali and Ria. And which room was this? Yes, this is dining room. And what Ali and Ria are doing? I think they are eating something. But what? Can you please tell me that what things are on the table? Yes, there are 2 glasses of milk and a plate of bread and yes, fried eggs. Do you like eggs? Yes, everyone like eggs because it is very healthy for us and all these items are very healthy for our health. Okay, now let's see what mom is saying to Ali and Ria. Everyone, you have to repeat after me. Okay, first read the sentence, then we will spell it. Okay. Mom is saying to Ali and Ria, finish your breakfast. Mom said. What mom said? Finish your breakfast. Mom said. Repeat after me. Finish your breakfast. Mom said. Now let's spell it. Finish. Finish. Your. Finish your. Break. Break. Fast. Breakfast. Finish your breakfast. Mom. Said. Mom said. What mom said? Finish your breakfast. Mom said. मॉम ने कहा जल्दी से अपना नाश्ता फिनिश कर लें. Okay, now let's see what will happen on the next page. Wow, open page number 4. This page is looking very, very colorful. And what Ali and Ria are doing? Ali and Ria are playing. Ali and Ria are playing. But with what? With ball. And also Spot is enjoying with them. Yes. What is Ria doing? Can you please guess? Yes, she is catching the ball. Yes, Ria is catching the ball. So let's read the sentence first, then we will spell it. Okay. I am catch the ball, said Ria. I can catch the ball, said Ria. I can catch the ball, said Ria. Now spell it. I-C-A-N can, C-A-T-C-H catch, T-H-E the, B-A-L-L ball. I can catch the ball. S-A-I-D said, R-I-A Ria. I can catch the ball, said Ria. Okay, now I will tell you the vocabs of the day. First vocab is F-I-N-I-S-H, finish. F-I-N-I-S-H, finish. Second vocab is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast. B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast, breakfast. And the third vocab is catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Yes, so today I have told you 3 vocab. The third vocab is catch. Second vocab is breakfast. And the first vocab is finish. And in the next class, I will ask to you about all these vocabs and also what we read today. Okay. Okay, now students, goodbye and have a good day. I hope that you have attended the class very carefully and read at your home. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.